Hello guys, today in this video we will learn how to use Game Guardian. As you know guys, Game Guardian is a very powerful alteration tool which can help us to modify the value of coins, gold, XP, or we can hack the speed as well in our desired game. So what we have to do, it's very necessary that our device must be rooted, or if your device is not rooted, then you have to install parallel space, then it will work like a charm. In my case, my device is rooted. Let me show you. You have to go in Chrome browser and in search bar you have to type GG Guardian APK. As you can see, the first site which appears, you have to click on the site and download it from there. You can download from their original website as well. So I have already downloaded and I have root SS in my device. Let me launch this application. This is the interface. This is the interface of Game Guardian. Simply start. Simply click on the icon. As you can see, it's showing all the ongoing process in my device. So my targeted app is the Archers 2. Let me launch this application first. As you can see, my actual value is 0 right now. So I have to launch Game Guardian and I have to select the process, the Archers 2. Now I have to go in search bar and enter the exact value 0. And you can see a lot of hacking methods. So the most common hacking method is dword. So select dword. What you have to do, play a game in order to change value of coins. As you can see, we just earned 1 coin. So open your Game Guardian. Type 1 and refine. Let's play another game. Showing ad. Let's cut the ad. Let's play another game. So as you can see, we have earned 2 coins. Type 3 and refine. Let's play a game. As you can see, we just completed level 1 and our coins is right now 31. As you can see, we just earned 31 coins and before we have 3 coins. So we have to input the value 34. Then you have to refine. As you can see, alter this value. Add an extra amount according to your wish, according to your choice. Let's click on any of the game icon. As you can see, our value of coins is changed now. Let me show you how to use speed hack. This is my normal speed. You have to click on long press on Game Guardian icon. If you want to reduce the speed, then you have to tap on minus. As you can see, speed is reduced in game. The speed of game is hacked now. If you want to increase the speed, then you have to click on plus arrow. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay safe. Bye.